Okay. Okay. So I welcome our speaker, Dr. Priyanka Sharma, who is currently working as a professor, IT and Dean, Research and Publication at Rashtriya Raksha Shakti University. She has also worked as in charge director, research and development. She is having a total of 21 plus years of experience in teaching, admin, and research at PG level. Also, she has served as visiting faculty at few eminent institutes like Gujarat Police Academy, Parai, Gujarat University, Nirma University, etc. Her academics qualifications includes Master in Computer Applications, PhD in Artificial Intelligence, Certificate Program in Computer Language and Cyber Law for Symbiosis from Symbiosis. Her research work after PhD is on cyber crime and security. Recently, she has attended a very significant training leadership for advancing higher education in India, Harvard Graduate School of Education, Boston, USA, sponsored by MHRD Government of India. More than 10 PhDs have been awarded under her supervision, and 5 are pursuing PhD at present. She is empaneled member at many universities like GTU, BIZ, DDIT, MSU, and others. She has assessed thesis and synopsis of PhD from universities like Laurentian University, Canada, KIT, DTU, CV Raman, etc., and guided master's dissertations work at RSU, Gujarat University, Bennett University, etc. She has carried out research projects sponsored by UGC, ICSSR, Gujcos, DST, RSU, and received travel grant from ICS MHRD for visiting National NTU Singapore. Grant received from ICSSR to organize national level research methodology course for researchers. She also has a credit to patents and copyright. She has contributed research papers in international journals, books, book chapters, and articles, and many more in her credits. So now, without wasting more time, I request our speaker, Dr. Priyanka Sharma, to start with her talk.
Good
So over to
afternoon.
you, madam.
Ha,
Over to you,
please.
madam. Yeah.
Thank you so much. First of all, let me thank Madam and all of the organizer. To invite me is one thing, and to think that workshop can be on such themes and spatial research ethics. So today I will be speaking, or we will be entering into research world, which you are already there, and we'll be discussing that from entry point to exit point. That means while traveling in this world of research, say for example, the duration of this journey may be, for example, if you are writing an article, it may be of 1 month or 2 months. Say, for example, if you are writing thesis, it may be 4 to 5 years. But once a researcher is always a researcher. So you are always doing or you are always carrying out some or other research work. But as we say now that when we are born, we are having hardware, software. But this software has to be taught so many things. Like your name is this thing, this is current. So in the same way, to a researcher, we should tell, just a minute, hold. Yeah. So, in the same way, a researcher mind has to be informed again and again that whatever you are doing, it should be done in a proper way. So, proper way means what? Why we are doing research? We are searching again and again. How we are searching, what we are reporting, there are long stories. I will introduce that also. But whatever we do should be in a proper manner. Okay, if I say that if a mother of a small child sends, okay, okay, go and bring this thing from market, a parent, he or she explains, go like this way, walk like this way. So those all things are ethics. ठीक है, किसी से टकराना नहीं है, don't throw a stone. So from the very beginning, ethics, code of conduct, or how we should do a certain thing. Say for example, if somebody says go and make tea, so there also ethics come. Are you washing your hand? If you are making for yourself, you are washing your hand and cup nicely. If you are making for guests, you are not. So these all things are research. If I give you 10 rupees and if I say bring this thing and if 2 rupees is saved, if you are not returning me back, that is known as ethics. So ethics is nothing but moral values which we used to learn from the very childhood. And this is very nice person, very honest. So these all are fuzzy terms. How to measure your honesty? Say for example, how to measure your punctuality? Once you may be late. So these all characteristics are also to be lecture. So these all characteristics, or sorry, someone was actually, I'm in office. Why somebody is saying not audible? It is audible, dear audience?
Ma'am, you are audible. You are audible.
Fine, fine, fine. I will be sharing my slides. Just I will introduce. So what I was saying is, now in from 8th standard, 7th standard, everybody is saying do research. So what this research means? Sorry, I'm not aware what the topics you have learned. I was not having time, but whatsoever research, you are searching something again and again. So before this also, we should try to understand the difference between invention, discovery, research, because we all on this platform, I suppose we all are researchers. कुछ invent करना है, अचानक fire was invented when 2 stones were rubbed. So that was invention. So that there was no as such ethics, right? Till that fire was not there, energy was not there, fuel was not there. So it was just a discovery. But what we people are doing, we are having a very much, बोलते हैं ना पूरे होशो हवास में, very much मतलब we are aware of our input, output and process. So from starting from this whole research process, what we are supposed to do, we are supposed to conduct this research in that way that whosoever stakeholders are involved in this process, including us, should not be affected. तो एक ही लाइन की बात है पूरी कहानी, but there are so many principles. ठीक है, मुझे अच्छा इंसान बनना है. I want to do my research in an ethical manner. Fine, पर अच्छा बनने की there is a definition. There has to be a manipulative mind. Right now, मैं झूठ नहीं बोलता हूँ तो नहीं बोलता हूँ, ठीक है, but sometimes it may happen at a tinge. So let us see how do the thing works. So I suppose in every university or in every college there is an ethical committee which sees this thing. So it may happen that you people are belonging to different fields, but either you do research in chemistry, madam is from chemistry, you do in physics, I belongs to a police university, we deal with crime prevention, reduction and elimination. So we deal with these security point of thing, national security. I will take one or three, a few examples at the end. So whatsoever we are doing, like say for example, if I am studying on rape offenders, there also my code of conduct should be in proper way. Okay, like justice has given him some punishment or whatsoever for what he committed crime. But if I am doing something research, if I am taking the interviews, I should not be rude. Somebody is asking how patents can be made from research. I will take this question at end. Right. So I will start. I will share my slide. Till that, what you do, you just think. Like for example, those who have attend must be doing some research. So you take your own topic, take a pen, pencil, and just think, क्या मैं सही कर रहा हूँ? See, everybody knows nowadays everything. But why we are meeting on this platform or why we are discussing discussions, revisions, do things more, because in research, we should always discuss. For what? for getting some optimal result. So I'm sharing my slide. Just wait for 2.
I think her network is lost.
No, madam.
Yeah,
Hello.
yeah,
I'm
yeah.
sharing my slide. I'm sharing my slides. So just give me 2 minutes. Till that I have given a small homework. Questions we may take after I start, because again it will then. I'm sharing my slides. So I switched off my camera and are you able to see the slides? Hello? Are you able to see the slides?
Yes, ma'am.
Right.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine.
Yes,
So
yes,
you
ma'am.
got this 2-3 minutes. So like now in research, if I don't speak for 10 minutes, don't worry. I'm here. Till that, what we can do, like we think that what we are doing, what has to be done, goes on. If some problem is there, you just tell me if slides are not, because sometimes it happens that while opening slides or some problem may exist. Right? So very quickly we'll see what is research and what are the research steps. Now just go through on your own and you just think that where research ethics, that is code of conduct or doing research properly, comes in the picture. Research steps. Formulating the research problem. Yes, if you are talking about some controversial topic, because there are so many different types of research, then here also ethics come. Literature survey, ethics come. Somebody was asking me, or somebody can ask me, what are the punishments? At the end, we'll take all the question, like pattern and all those things. Don't worry, because pattern and plagiarism and copyright and intellectual property right, these all things are directly related and interlinked with the ethics. Correct. So development of working hypothesis, preparing research design, determining sample design, collecting the data, execution of project, analysis of data, hypothesis testing, generalization and interpretation, preparation of report or thesis. These are the major 11 steps of research. And as I told from the very beginning to the end, research ethic is such a component we need to follow. Once again, the journey starts from the physical process of gathering information. So while gathering information, while deriving answers to your research questions, from where the information is gathered, these all things should be done nicely. Nicely, the definition will come. What nicely means, what properly means. Say, for example, if you are appearing in a final exam, whatsoever your UG or masters, At that time, so instructions are very clear. Don't copy, don't look here and there. Are you having any chip with you? Anything, copying is a crime there and ethically also not allowed, right? So in research also, whatever we do, we should do properly. We'll see what properly means, don't worry. Research writing, see, why I kept this definition also because in information gathering, everything realistic and everything very nicely you have done. But when you are writing your report, you may manipulate and change some of the percentage. Say, for example, in SPSS software, in Veka software, slight change of data will give you different result. Anybody from computer science? Computer persons are there? Okay, fine. So data manipulation is again a different story. We'll touch that also. But what you are writing based on the things what you have collected, what you have experimented, what you have interpreted, and then you are explaining or reasoning. But in this explanation, reasoning or taking decision, a very simple example to make you understand, you all are faculty, but what make to understand is doctor's example. He is having your reports, the physical body is there lying, he can check, but then also he can reason something different. It varies from doctor to doctor, and the explanation also. So business to me, jobs like doctor, lawyer, teacher, these all, any nowadays, so you can say business, everything should be ethical. What we are writing then? We are writing our thesis, white paper, blog, article, research papers. So these all things should have ethics.
Screen not visible, ma'am. Screen not visible, ma'am.
Screen, PPTs are not visible?
No, ma'am. I think you have to share your screen, I believe.
Please share your screen, ma'am.
I share.
No, share the window, ma'am.
No, it is there. He's sharing a window. I will stop sharing. Wait a minute. Again, I will share. Don't worry. Don't worry. See, present now, a window, research ethics. Share. Are you able to see now?
It may take some time, ma'am. Let's see.
Let's see.
Yes, it's visible, madam. It's visible.
Right.
Visible.
Yeah.
Yes.
Steps you can see. One of you can answer. Steps are visible. 11 steps.
Yes.
Okay, so kind of you. Thank you. Then what I was saying is that why research is important, or what is research? You are finding your research question answer, and why writing is important. Because the world can see that only which you have written. The papers which you have published, the theses which we have published, आगे आ रहा है. Articles which we are publishing. Say for example, if I say that India is a poor country, तो भाई कैसे? है ना? तो I had or मतलब analyze something कि how many four-wheeler people are having. Okay, four-wheeler तो सबके पास है, लेकिन how many people are sleeping on the hungry, जो भी है भूखे पेट, मतलब those parameters in short we need to identify. So by identifying that parameters, and if someone wants to show that my country is rich or poor, we can, or someone can easily manipulate. ऐसा होता है. So I was taking example of doctor. We can take example of lawyer. How the things are there. But we'll see the principal research ethics. Now, when you are doing your research, or when you are writing something based on your research, because once again, the world sees what you write. I am going to read thesis or paper or blog or article or news article from the research which you have done. So these, please, if you don't know, just note down these type of researches we can do, or research papers we can publish. Like analytical. If you have any doubt in this list, you can ask me. Like you are analyzing and you are writing something. Argumentative. You are giving some arguments. If I am saying, okay, happiness index of our country is this thing, then somebody can argue, no, it is not like that, because our country, women are not happy. or domestic violence is on rise. Goes on. Definition paper is a bit simpler. You are defining something. Compare and contrast paper, cause and effect, interpretative, experimental survey. Right? So these type of writings or these type of research you can do. This why I had kept, just see somewhere something is there. If not there, just read. Next slide will be having logical analysis, preparation, rough draft, rewriting, polishing, preparation of final, writing the final. So ये सारी process में like A to F, many times it happens that what I had collected, what I had interpreted, what from a person, from animals, because any damn thing of the world can be involved in my research. Say for example, if I am doing on irrigation or agriculture, water my sample is a part of my research. Sorry. So once again, research and research writing are very important to do chore hai, and in between that we need to be very careful. So if you see in this whole circle or diagram, using sources ethically comes somewhere, right? So now we'll be discussing on research ethics. But why we need research ethics? We need research ethics for input and for output and for whole process. So input may be research कि मैंने सोच लिया I want to do research. ये मेरा जो पानी पी रही हूँ, it should be more pure. The bottle in which I am carrying my pani or my water, it should be more good. So I am going on doing research. पहले प्लास्टिक की बॉटल आई, फिर स्टील की आई, फिर प्लास्टिक का refill नहीं करना है, goes on. So the story of the science of the invention is a big story, but the thing has to be done honestly. Fine till here, introducing or taking to your research world journey. Now as a concept, let us see what research ethics means. So research ethics refers to complex set of values, standards, institutional schemes that help to constitute and regulate research activity. ठीक है, अगर ये नहीं है, fine. So if there is no ethics in the society, ये चीज human being से आ रही है. If you read the history of ethics, it comes from human system. Fine. Say for example, few countries are just a minute. Laptop लेके वहाँ पे चले. So research ethics refers to a complex set of values, standards, and institutional schemes. By institutional scheme, like for example, take any principle now and any country or any activity. So one activity may not be allowed in my society, but it may be allowed in someone else's society or some other country. तो उसकी punishment भी अलग है. देखो, जैसे कि in few countries, wearing burqas are compulsory. If you don't wear, punishment is there. In some country, it is not there. So institutional scheme by, because if you are not following this. Say for example, we are having 80% presence, there are rules and regulations, but ethics comes from inside. So ethics, but again for that also some punishment should be there, right? Like we are having ethics at our home also, come before 8 and speak nicely, and if nobody is listening, then also goes on. So ethics does not exist in vacuum, it exists within a social context, correct? If I want to write something like IT law, if you have studied, few sections gives you right or freedom to write anything. But again, there are conditionals applied. There are ethics applied that you cannot write this without proof. So if you are writing about criminal, say कल हुआ CBI कुछ कर रही है, this कुछ कर रही है, so we are drawn out of emotions. So all the scientific activities, apart from all social conduct, including by social scientists or you may be a biological scientist, chemistry scientist, goes on. Like when I came in 10th standard, frog dissection was taught because of this reason, that why to cut a frog, for understanding how many layers of scales are there. I can understand theoretically, I can see in picture. At that time, simulations were not there, but I don't know, it was taught. So there animal rights come, human rights come, environment rights come, society rights come. So whatever the thing we are doing, why we are doing research? we are doing research for betterment of society or the environment. ठीक है ना? तो इस betterment के लिए when we are conducting this research, nothing should be harmed. Therefore, it is essential that the scientists or researchers understands ethical issues. So this is the reason why we are here. Purpose: to sensitize and protect researchers who are often under pressure from taking various quarter force. अब जैसे मुझे बोल दिया तुम्हें अच्छा बनना, अच्छी फैकल्टी बनना, अच्छा टीचर बनना, अच्छा स्टूडेंट, कैसे? तो I know my part of duties. In the way who are doing research, they should know. Like if you see on our university website, we are having research ethics, rules and regulation there itself. I will tell one by one. So, to preserve and promote the autonomy of research through the observance of ethics, ethic value, and self-regulation. To protect and promote the human rights. And also, as I told, animal rights, environment right. Then, in our case, it is internal security. In your case, whatsoever areas you are taking. तो अगर आप research कर रहे हैं, ध्यान से सुनिएगा. So if you are not doing something good or better, then wasting your time and others' time is also not allowed ethically. So you need to do a quality research work so that something is added more and your research may be useful to the further researchers. And to make an integral part of planning and methodology of research, so that integral part means in whole journey from starting to end, ethics should be a part. So this is the purpose of any research ethics discussion, committee or regulation whatsoever, to sensitize, to preserve. और हमारा भी आज यही purpose है, to know. क्या purpose है भाई? Purpose is this, that researchers should be fully aware of the ethical issues. We should be responsible. We should conduct in such a way that people take our research in a very positive manner. So there are 28 principles. Internet पर आप देखेंगे तो you will get 8, 9, 10, 7, maximum 11. We have tried to form into many principles. One by one, slowly we will be taking, and then I will be answering to your questions. Respect for human rights. Any example somebody wish to give just to make it more interactive? Human rights. Any example? Because this is the simplest one. Okay, fine. So respect for...
We should not.
Please.
We should respect. We should respect the researchers, the one earlier who has done his feelings, and we may not agree with it, but we should not criticize or comment on it. So we should respect the human rights.
Now, madam, what you have answered is also correct. Listen, what she has answered was, at least those who are attending, because in webinar it happens that. So one thing what madam has told, that we should pay respect to the researcher who have done research in the same field. Correct. But that comes in while referencing, in plagiarism, while mentioning their name and while citing. So this is one aspect of this thing. Very nice answer. Another one is, if I am collecting a questionnaire, say for example, I have done ICSR project, and that project given to me was to make some policies with respect to social media obsession in Gujarat. अब मुझे कैसे पता चलेगा कि कौन सोशल मीडिया ऑब्सेस्ड है या नहीं है? तो मैंने क्या किया, इंटरव्यूज लेना चाहा. ठीक है, दो जैसे कोई गांव में कोई लेडी है who don't know to write and fill questionnaire, we were having a camera and all those things. But if she don't wants to give, then please don't force. So consent is also very important. So for all human, those who are involved in the process, that is also we need to protect human rights. Nice. Then we should be, the second principle comes, we should adhere to research ethics standard, honesty, not partiality, and willingness. As I told you, honesty, impartiality, goodness, willingness, these all things are fuzzy terms. fuzzy terms means I cannot say at any point of time 0 or 1. ठीक है, आज मंडे है या नहीं, 0. लेकिन ये आदमी ऑनेस्ट है या नहीं, आई कैन नॉट से 0 और 1. इट हैज टू बी इन बिटवीन 0 and 1, राइट. तो एथिक्स का भी ऐसे, ऑनेस्टी, इम्पार्शियलिटी, विलिंगनेस, बट दीज ऑल थिंग्स शुड एडहेयर, मतलब उसके साथ अटैच रहना चाहिए वॉट एवर यू आर रिसर्च यू आर डूइंग. For example, this questionnaire collection we can take every time. Like honestly, I'm explaining first that person. क्योंकि क्या होता है, field investigators goes to each and every one, but we don't know whether he will be explaining every, because I'm sending with the best questionnaire prepared, but how he is going to whom he is taking. जैसे कभी कभी क्या होता है, questionnaire collect में अपने relatives से multiple भरवा लेते हैं, करसन भाई पटेल, मुकेश पटेल, so I want to be getting the correct result. So here lies with the researcher how well in a standard format he is doing, maintaining all the characteristics or all the attributes or all the goodness thing. So once again, a researcher, a good human is a good researcher. Now who is good human? Okay, so that we need to decide. We'll decide at the end. Third principle, institutions have responsibility to respect the autonomy of researchers and should create and maintain an environment with adequate support system to enable research. So here comes the principle for researcher. If your university or your institute is not having any type of policy, you should ask that what I need to do, because if some guidelines are there, if some rules and regulations are there, I know what to do, what not to do. And just a minute, by research I am doing for optimization, maximizing the benefit and minimizing the loss, considering all the constraints. So in the same way, मैं कुछ research example, for example, if I want to destroy a mountain and I want a plain region, so that I can build houses for all poor people and for all needy people. But they're very good cause. But while doing for this thing, am I harming the society, the environment, or the surroundings of that hill or mountain or something? So everywhere I need to think the maximum goodness and minimizing the negative things. Then whenever I am doing my research, I should not be partial, or my behavior should be without discrimination on the basis of caste, language, location. Okay? So this is again an important principle. कहना आसान है, no, I am not partial, but होता है. When we see someone knowing to us or from our state, we really become, so that is a human nature. Sixth, if somebody is ready to do something on their own voluntarily, then that is the best sample or best type of practice in research. And if somebody is not willing to do, then please don't take or don't give him trouble. Please take the consent properly and then start your research. So based on this sixth principle, the seventh one you just say, it is principle of informed consent. Whenever a doctor operates or do surgery, they take your consent, they take your signature, and then they go for surgery. Because if in surgery something happens, then he will try his best, but again he cannot be held responsible for anything in adverse if it happens. So consent for participation in research should be taken. But hota kya hai? People do take consent very, they are not showing exact details. Like we are also giving consent, okay, I am downloading this app and I am giving my consent, my permission. So they are writing, see, if you give this consent to us, your every data will be going from my server to something. So I will be having a complete or your complete information will be recorded here. ठीक है ना? तो मैं consent दे रही हूँ, तो ऐसा जल्दी वाला consent नहीं होना चाहिए. Whenever you go to, and you explain nicely. You see, social media obsession is a problem nowadays. I'm asking you few questions, like say for example, how many hours you are watching WhatsApp or Facebook आप देखते हैं, अगर लाइट नहीं है तो आपको बेचैनी होने लगती है. If you forget your mobile in office, then what? So many questions were there. So if you are ready to support in this research, then only we'll take your information, because your every information will be helpful in analyzing something. Fine. So this is principle of informed consent. This is very, very important. Those who are in social science or those who are not in social science, even in computer science, then also just see that if anybody's consent is required or not. जैसे कि if you are, and I don't know, computers क्या है, social media, if you are doing some survey type of thing, Twitter, any company data, then you should always take consent and then move further. Non-exploitation. Eighth principle. Principle of non-exploitation signifies that no human subject. What this principle tries to say: abuse, mistreatment, or disadvantage. Fine. These all things. In short, you are not going to hurt anyone. You are not going to exploit anyone for getting your chemicals or for getting your physics experiment or for social science, for computers, any damn branch you take. But abuse, mistreatment, and disadvantage should not be done in this research process. Like, for example, giving money and saying that you fill this form and sign. No, you can't do. Now, sometimes it happens that I'm working on a project, some tea laborers or some construction laborers, and I'm giving 50 rupees, and yeah, you sign here now. So they are not knowing basically what you are writing and which type of result you want to give. Say, because of this factory pollution is there, and the pollution may not be there. They must be, but so many non-compliance and these all certificates are sent. Ninth one, principle of ethical neutrality. This thing is very clear that action. Last principle told you about abuse, mistreatment. Here they are saying about principle, because sometimes it happens that half the way we are changing our principles. Because this is research. I'm saying, I told you, you could have objected. Input, process, output. But this is not a computer. Like in computer, I may say, okay, my input is 2 plus 2. My process is the basic principle of addition, and my output is 4, right? But here I cannot say. But then also, when I start my process, my research process, I am having few things in my mind, that is research questions. Based on those research questions, I am having hypothesis. Based on that hypothesis, I am having some standard scientific method. Based on that methods and results, I am having the answers of those hypothesis. लेकिन कभी ऐसा होता है, I thought कि okay, in this my research will be very good, but बीच में or in between I am not finding that way. So I cannot manipulate the things. It has to be in a genuine way. It has to be in a good spirit. 10th one, principle of privacy and confidentiality. Confidentiality and privacy. Okay. An example here, just to make it interactive. Confidentiality. Research में अजय सर ना, अजय भट्टाराज सर, you are listening carefully, I think so. तो आप क्या रिसर्च कर रहे हैं सर?
Mr. Ajay Bhattare, you're not audible. Please unmute yourself.
It's okay?
Right, sir. Sir,
Yeah,
what research area and how do you connect at least this point with your research work? Yes, sir.
Yeah, I'm working in polymer chemistry and surface chemistry. I did the PhD from North Bengal University, India.
Okay.
I brought the idea from there and utilized in Nepal. And the policy which I have learned from India, the technique, the idea, the basic fundamental principle of research which I obtained from India, that is very useful for me to carry out the research work in Nepal.
So nice. So whatever research you have done or you are doing, which point you find that this should be very much confidential, Nobody should know it. It should be very private thing. So privacy and confidentiality. How do you relate your research?
Yeah. The privacy, the policy is the personal thing which I have obtained from my own creative thinking, and then that utilize while writing the research paper or research finding, which is the new for the entire society.
Right. Thank you so much. Now, a few questions are there. I'll just take a few questions because.
Madam, I would like to answer, madam.
Yeah. Please, please, please.
Privacy and confidentiality, we can relate if we are collecting some data, and the data is like performance of individual teacher. If we are collecting as per the requirement,
Very nice.
then if the person is sharing with us, then the privacy, and it is very confidential. The person has given, but
Nice.
we should not use it for any other purpose, only
Right.
for the research purpose.
Nice.
That is.
See, for example, yeah, I was telling the same thing. For example, social media obsession in Gujarat. That study we have done. We are taking complete concern. Okay, I am giving you my data. Fine. Say for example, happiness index. So I am giving my personal data to you. Okay, I find happiness in sleeping more, for example, or on holidays I want to see a movie. That is my happiness. So few parameters are there. Or I find happiness in eating. So all those things I'm giving consent. Okay, you do this thing. But again, those data should be very much confidential, as madam told, of teachers' data. So yeah, whatever you are collecting, it should be very, very confidential, and it should be kept on private basis. Okay, so this is, again, if you are 2 or 3 researchers, then also ethics comes. I should not share your data. So these all things are. So wherever you are not supposed to speak or share something, you are not supposed to. करेक्ट ना, जैसे हम स्टूडेंट लाइफ में करते हैं, ये मत बताना, दिस मत बताना, ठीक है. सो सेम थिंग. ओके, सम क्वेश्चंस आर देयर. रिव्यू पेपर. जस्ट अ मिनट, somebody asked about रिव्यू पेपर. सो रिव्यू पेपर बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है बनाना. से फॉर एग्जांपल, व्हेन यू स्टार्ट योर रिसर्च, वेयर डू यू गो? You do literature survey, right? You read this paper, that paper, library, books, internet. You ask to your sir, expert, stakeholder, even your parents, everyone you are asking about that topic. When you start your PhD, just take example of PhD. So whether I should do this thing or not. So at that time, you are trying to find out the research gaps. कि ये problem है. जैसे कि ये bottle है, ठीक है. वो पंखा है. If you can see the fan. Now, when I am doing research, when I want to develop a smart fan, which can take decision on its own. So at that time, there may be so many algorithms, so many methods, but I am selecting that method which is the best one. So how I will know which is? So what I am doing, I am reviewing. Reviewing means viewing again and again. So I am reading all the papers A to Z. I am viewing, but यहाँ पे ethics कहाँ आता है? For example, when I am writing a movie script or a song, at that time also copyright, IPR, all those things come. So in review paper, whatsoever you are writing, you need to cite, you need to give reference to that person. So naturally, review paper and research ethics really very much. Pattern का किसी ने पूछा था, pattern question I will take afterwards, after learning all the principles. So again, I am going back to my slides. Fine. So 10 principles we have covered. Just a minute, wait. 10 principles, that is principle of privacy and confidentiality, protects participating human subjects in research investigation from unauthorized observation and intrusion into your privacy. So as madam told, that if I am having feedback of all the teachers, if I am principal and I am having, and if my motto and my objective is to improve personal performance of teacher, at that time what I need to do, I need to keep the things in private. I need to show only to the person who is concerned. Otherwise, the things will not be in good shape among teachers and among students and all. So once again, information, whatever has been created, whatever is being stored, whatever is being accessed, like who will access my ID, my password, I should only access. But if somebody is trying to steal my password and accessing, at that time it suggests what? It suggests that my privacy is included. Included means किसी ने जबरदस्ती somebody has entered forcefully and have tried to capture the data which he or she is not legally supposed to see, like my mail ID. Why somebody should see my post box in the same way? So this is the meaning of privacy or the confidentiality which we need to maintain for this type of work. Which type of work? Research type of work. Why research is so important? Because it is an intellectual property, or it is the knowledge which comes directly from a brain of a human being. ठीक है, so it is not like a factory कि 10 type के 10 type of soaps are made in a factory, so every soap is having same fragrance, same shape and same all those things. No, any piece of article research comes, or any song या 2 lines शायरी की, 2 lines of poem, phrase, whatever you say, it comes from your own mind, so your name has to be there. And while doing these all things, the thing should not get leaked. 11th one is again related to human subjects. Say for example, human risk, calculating benefit ratios. See, human risk always does not mean physical. So human risk means always, please listen, physical, mental, financial, and spiritual. In our life, we have these 4 type of insecurities, or these are the vulnerabilities. So humans are vulnerable physically. Somebody can harm you, somebody can beat you. We are vulnerable to mental. अगर किसी ने बोल दिया somebody she is not teaching good or she is not looking good, again we are affected. Financial, my purse is lying somewhere, so my whole this thing is there that somebody may take money from my purse. So financially and spirituality. I may be very strong, but somebody may harm. So this suicide and these all cases, I'm just talking this thing, and inside that news appeared, Riya Chakrabarti and brothers judiciary custody extended to this. So suicide is a biggest crime, more than murder. That person has gone, so you cannot blame that person. But those people who have, so this is something ethics, that we should not do bullying. Bullying means cyberbullying is also there. If I say every day something bad, you are not doing good, sometimes a person will feel I'm not worth and goes up. So once again, if humans are there as a subject, as a sample in your research work, they should not be affected in this 4 ways, that is physically, mentally, spiritually, and financially. Correct? 12th, principle of professional competency. Principle of professional competency is really very important nowadays for me, for you, for everyone. That is actually our ethics. But you know one thing, a day will come when, a day has come in fact, where time will be a problem. We want to do everything, but we are not able to do. So how we'll feel? We'll feel that I'm not able to justify. I could have done more better. So that feeling is always there. Say for example, if I'm talking to you, my thoughts are somewhere, oh, I'm having meeting at 4:15, goes on. So professional competency means for whom? For researcher we are talking. So for researcher, he's saying, okay, I have not harmed anyone, I'm taking care of everything, I'm very honest. But what if I'm not performing well? This is a real big practical problem nowadays with PhD scholars also. I myself tell to my students, please do literature review, literature survey nicely. Your half the road will be covered. Then what will happen? After 4 years, they will say, I want to change my topic. But you do literature review nicely. Say, for example, what are the health problems of society in today's world? Corona is something which is unexpected to happen. But few problems are there which has progressed, like lifestyle disease, like diabetes, this, that. No, who will, to whom to say this thing? We are only scaring patients, nothing else. That you have done this thing, you have done this thing. So really, I feel sometimes that if somebody is having BP or diabetes, you know, doctors, their family people, everybody says, don't take stress, don't take stress. But who is giving this stress? मेरा एक फेवरेट वो डायलॉग मुझे बहुत याद रहता है, that in तारे जमीन के one dialogue is there, you must be knowing Hindi, that बुखार है सबको पता है. Anybody has heard this thing? Everyone knows there is a fever, but why there is a fever? So we need to go to root cause. You're getting my point? Why there is stress? BP is rising, diabetes is rising. Oh, okay, we all know. But why? Am I eating more? Am I not doing exercise? But this is it. This is a very thing. Whenever a patient will go, he will feel like he has done something crime. But why this thing has happened? Anybody has thought that your job time should be this to this only? So from where stress is coming? If I am doing research on this thing, from where the stress is coming? Is my society outlook or my society's setup has changed? Where is the community living nowadays? Where I am sharing my real problems? So see, so many things are there. From where this stress is coming? The stress is coming from our own society, ranging from doctor to family members to workplace to our relatives to the single-handedly doing everything. So this is the thing in research what we need to highlight. So it will show my professional competence. Anything to add in this example? Health example? Somebody is asking me that review paper and survey paper are same. Review paper means you are reviewing again and again, you are reading from journals, from books. Survey paper, you are going in the field and you are doing surveys. Like I told the example of social media obsession. You are going in the field and you are asking how many hours you are watching television or your mobile, so that I can tell that this person is obsessed person or this person is not a obsessed person, right? Then somebody is writing submission in 2 journals at same time is unethical. But taking more than 1 year and then reject the paper is ethical? Very good question. This has become like a, what do you say? Now see, the thing is that one paper, somebody is presenting something. One paper I have prepared in 2 years, say for example, in 1 year, doing some everything experiment nicely and writing everything, and then I am submitting to one paper. One journal. So listen, participant, Dhananya Jay, that when I am submitting something to something, like say for example, if I am submitting an admission form to a university and it says it will take 1 month to prepare merit list, then we need to obey that thing. So if a journal publisher is saying it will take 1 year to give you the result, then you have to wait, no option. Right now, but you can always inform to both the journals that I have submitted this thing. So jiska result pehle aayega, I will be. So what happens every time whenever the result comes, your paper is accepted, now you give your consent to get published. So at that time we are supposed to tick for copyright and all those things. So publisher also and the paper author also should have a good understanding. So otherwise submitting to it various places, it is not ethical. But if you are informing किसी way, I am submitting to this thing, जहाँ पे जिसका जवाब ज़्यादा है, like loan application. Fine, so that is something. Wait, I will go back to my slides. Principle number 12. So competency, professional competency should be such a way or in such a way that you are understanding everything, by reading, by knowing the current literature, previous studies, and then your interpretation should be good. Listen, one picture, everybody is watching the same picture, same class, but whatever interpretations are there. So now research is not cup of everybody's tea. So many few students becomes researchers. Principle of accountability and transparency. Now this is again a very that type of term. That one thing is that you should not the thing should not get leaked, privacy and confidentiality, and one thing is that you should be transparent. So it depends on the research investigators that which things are need to be told to them and which thing I am accountable and the other person. Say the same example, we may take social media example. So what thing I should tell, even in research, report writing, okay, this test I used, say case, whatever the series test or time series, whatever is the test you are using, I'm telling you that thing also. But I'm not giving you all the data which I have collected. Fine. So again, the things are interrelated: accountability, transparency, confidentiality, and privacy. Research protocols. Protocols means again a rules and regulations in a hierarchy form, what should be done so that again on a social level, social integration, inclusion, mainstreaming does not get affected. Research must not cause harm to participants in particular and to people in general. Yeah, correct. So if I'm testing a bomb or something like that, naturally I should not harm people. So this bomb is not always a bomb of a physical way. There may be so many things, like simply a publishing an article which has no meaning. See, there are high impact event, like we had in Gujarat, Hardik Patel case. At that time, riots were there. So much of public this belongings like buses and all those, so much of loss was there. At that time, it was told that Gujarat has gone back to 10 years. Why? Few reasons were there, like fake pictures on mobile, like Hardik Patel is arrested, so that there was a panic in the society. So this is also something which you are harming in general. This is also research. How to make a fake image showing somebody's photo और आगे जेल की सलाखें हैं and telling this person is arrested, and without knowing complete knowledge or completely knowing the things, completely were not aware that he was not arrested. Loads of riots were there and people are killing each other and so many problems were there. This is also one thing that where you need to be very much careful that yes, you are not harming to a person, or either you are harming to a person or you are not harming to a person but you are harming to society, which is not possible. So vice versa. So don't harm any particular, don't harm society. Society means a group of people living in same conditions. So this is also one of the principles. Public domain. I'm doing research, I cannot disturb, for example, in the odd times. That is also one type of ethics. मुझे किसी एक घर जाना है तो we know we go at 5 p.m. We used to go, now it is like a dream nowadays, so we don't go. WhatsApp is there because of this pandemic also. So public domain, whatsoever is there, like say for example, ethically I should not see the data which is traveling in the network traffic, but I can see with some tools that if you are writing how are you, I am fine to your friend, I can see what you have written, which is not ethical. Fine. The research should be carried out in full compliance. Compliance means according to the local custom, standard, laws and regulation. Like gathering of more than 10 people or more than this was not allowed before also. But in some festivals, in some functions, it is allowed. So at that time, it comes in local custom. Say for example, Ganesh ji, we are unka visarjan karte hain pani mein. But rest of the things we cannot, right? But that is local custom. So we cannot stop. So that there it is ethical. All research material should be preserved But let me check the chat box. Anything is there? How to read a questions. Some journal publishing paper in 1 month also. Yeah, if some new journals are there, like Akshay Kumar is making movie in 1 month. बेल बॉटम उसने सबसे जल्दी खत्म की. तो ऐसा नहीं कि बुराई है. See, I say to my students that in research review, IEEE, this journal, that journal, right? Good. They are having their own its name, and that's why they are taking time in peer review. But some good journals may be also there. और see, idea किसी का मोहताज नहीं है research में. वो मैं गुजराती न्यूज़पेपर में if I am reading something in a very local paper, संदेश और दिव्य भास्कर, I may get some idea for doing research. Agreed? है ना. एक सेकेंड. रिव्यू. अस्मिता कोई है अभी है. उसने क्वेश्चन पूछा है. क्वेश्चन.
Yes, madam.
हाँ,
Yes, madam. I have.
हम्म.
Yes, we are beginner, no, madam. So
No problem. But I'm not able to see your face.
video is off now. You can see. You can see.
Fine. So see, listen na.
Yes.
Theory methods. What are the difference between the English word theory and method? See, science क्या है? Principles. Like say for example, water gets converted into liquid into solid at this temperature. It is a principle. This principle was observed on Himalaya mountain. यार ऐसा कैसा कि नीचे पानी है, ऊपर जा रहे हैं तो बर्फ है. So how come? So this principle was implemented or was same thing carried out in our refrigerator which we are having at our home. तो ऊपर अपने हिमालय ही है, छोटा सा फ्रीजर जो है ना. तो थियोरी क्या है? जो है 2 + 2 4 है तो थियोरी है. केमिकल्स में और ये मिक्स होता है, then it gives a different color and that is the theory. Methods क्या है? वो जो मिक्स करते हो, that method, that steps are the methods. So research methods are a different thing, theories are a different thing, principles are a different thing, right? Correct? Are you convinced? तो कोई
Yes.
हाँ, और कोई क्या पूछ रहा है? एक मिनट. रिव्यू पेपर. हाँ, रिव्यू पेपर कैसा पढ़ना? तो रिव्यू पेपर तो कैसे पढ़ते हैं अभी? देखो, अगर मैं हूँ फॉर एग्जाम्पल, मुझे नया कोई टॉपिक ले रही हूँ मैं, कौन सा लूँ फॉर एग्जाम्पल? ड्रोन का लेती हूँ. चलो, कि ड्रोन से किडनी जा पाएगी कि नहीं, ऑर्गन. ठीक है, ड्रोन समझते हो ना सब लोग?
हाँ.
तो ड्रोन से पार्ले जी का पैकेट जा रहा है अभी, क्योंकि उसकी एक्सपायरी डेट 3 महीने है. ठीक है, लेकिन किडनी लाइव ऑर्गन उसको कुछ घंटों में ही ट्रांसलेट करना है. तो ये मेरा रिसर्च है फॉर एग्जांपल. अब इसके डॉक्टर हूँ, एक मिनट के थोड़ा खुश हो लेते हैं कि हम डॉक्टर हैं, तो उसको सब कुछ पता होना चाहिए ड्रोन के बारे में और इसके बारे में. तो आई नीड टू रीड A to Z फ्रॉम इंटरनेट. आई नीड टू मेक माई नोट्स. आई नीड टू इन गुड जर्नल्स, बुक्स, एक्सपर्ट, जहां से भी आपको अपने विषय का कुछ पता चले. But these all things you should write down. You should document. Documentation is very, very important from the first stage to last. कहना आसान है, करना मुश्किल है. But आप जब 2-4 महीने पढ़ लेते हैं तो एक टेबल मिलनी चाहिए आपको. In that table, year, title of the paper, journal, and its interpretation. कि भाई मैंने इससे क्या सीखा. ठीक है, तो दिस इज द वे ऑफ रिव्यूइंग. रिव्यूइंग मीन्स बार बार देखना. एक मूवी मुझे बहुत पसंद है, मैं 10 बार देखती हूँ, एंड आई रिव्यू दैट मूवी अगेन एंड अगेन, एंड देन आई मेक माई ओन मूवी. इट इज समथिंग लाइक दैट. हाउ टू रीड अ रिसर्च पेपर इफेक्टिवली. द सेम थिंग. सी, सबसे पहले गूगल में सर्च करना आना चाहिए कीवर्ड से. इफ यू आर गुड एट सर्चिंग, जैसे गूगल कितना स्मार्ट है. Google is very smart. It is trying to understand what you are asking it. In the same way, we should be more smarter because we need to ask to that thing what we want. But we don't know. We are researchers. Completely knowledge, how can we have? So I'm searching it in such a way that I do get the thing. आई डू गेट द प्रॉब्लम। अभी धीरू भाई अंबानी के लड़के मुकेश अंबानी का भाषण सुना, उन्होंने बोला अच्छा बिजनेसमैन होने के लिए क्या करना है, तो अच्छा रिसर्चर होने के लिए क्या करना चाहिए। तो अच्छा रिसर्चर होने के लिए सॉल्यूशन नहीं ढूंढना है, प्रॉब्लम ढूंढनी है। प्रॉब्लम कहाँ से मिलेगी? प्रॉब्लम हमें आसपास ही मिलेगी। जब मैंने रिसर्च किया ना तो मैं भी बड़ी कंफ्यूज थी, क्या टॉपिक लूं, क्या पढ़ूं। एंड आई हैव डन माय रिसर्च इन आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस बिफोर 2007 means what? Means 1999 I started my work, so 2000 almost 20 years back ना। So at that time I was very much tense, कंप्यूटर में कोई गाइड ही नहीं था हमारे, मतलब I used to feel कि कौन गाइड करेगा। तो एक हमारे सर आए, तो he was also supposed to go America, then I asked sir, how what should I do? Then he told you just go in your library and see what are the things there। फिर मैं लाइब्रेरी में गई, तो लाइब्रेरी में मुझे लगा आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस से मतलब मुझे फॉरेन का वीजा मिल जाएगा। सो दैट वाज माय कांसेप्ट, ओके, बिकॉज आई वाज as a young person we always think na we will go to US and this and that, so I thought AI will take. Then but what would be the problem which I will be able to solve with that AI? So I thought ki what are the problems of our country? Population, poverty, whatsoever. See, every countries are having their own set of problem, right now. So I thought I will be taking pollution, क्योंकि environment science मुझे बड़ा पसंद था। तो I took water pollution। समझे जो मुझे पूछा था कैसे पढ़े, तो मैंने क्या लिया, किसने पूछा था हाउ टू राइट अ रिसर्च रिव्यू पेपर? प्रियंका, पता नहीं अभी है कि नहीं, लेकिन फिर मैंने क्या किया, एआई का पूरा पढ़ा। हाँ प्रियंका, so when I was doing my research, there are two topics I wanted to merge. Artificial, you are from which field? Geology. So I did everything on artificial intelligence, I did everything on water pollution. Then in water pollution 3 to 4 things were there, drinking water problem, then I took irrigation, क्योंकि खाना हम खाते हैं तो कौन से पानी से उगता है, ठीक है प्रियंका। तो इतना ये 2 ब्रांच को अलग करके सब कुछ पढ़ना और उसके बाद एक रिसर्च गैप फाइंड करना, क्वेश्चन फाइंड करना, एंड देन टू सी फाइन, देन यू कैन आस्क मी अगेन, मतलब शांति से भी आप पूछ सकते हो कि आपका टॉपिक क्या है, तो आई कैन टेल यू मोर, है ना। दिस वाज जनरलाइज्ड। somebody right, somebody else is writing in 1 month or a year monthly publication। Now see, nowadays it depends on this thing, your general public। कोई अच्छी जर्नल भी 1-1 लाख रुपया लेता है, this is for publication prices, so you can't do anything। आपको किस में बनाना, आपको कौन सी जर्नल में करना है, you need to decide, right, and accordingly you have to go। You can't to write a review paper, you will take some so it's very clear now, see, review paper writing we are viewing again and again। Listen, please speak in English। I suppose I'm speaking in English only। Nice information। Listen now what I'm trying to say once again, review means you are viewing again and again। Viewing मतलब picture तो है नहीं कि you are seeing a movie, you are reading again and again from internet, from books, from expert, goes on, but again you are referring that thing from wherever you are reading, mind। Like say for example, I was writing a review paper on cybercrime। I have done my DSc in smart system to identify and analyze cybercrime। So I wanted to give the statistics of cybercrime, that it is increasing। In NCRB, it is a review again। In NCRB till 2016 data were given। तो अब मैं क्या करूं? But in our Gujarat GFSU, Prime Minister was there for invocation, for convocation, and I was there as an audience, and he told something that cybercrime should be tackled with human intelligence and some tools। तो वो मैंने कोट कर लिया, पर किसने बोला था? प्राइम मिनिस्टर ने बोला। तो वो ऑथेंटिकेट चीज है, आप समझे। तो वो तो है ही कि जनरल के पेपर में से ही पढ़ूंगी, मैं कहाँ से पढ़ूंगी, क्योंकि न्यूज पेपर में मैं न्यूज पढ़ सकती हूँ, लेकिन इसको सॉल्व कैसे किया, रिसर्च मेथोडोलॉजी क्या यूज की, रिसर्च थियोरी, दैट आई विल गेट फ्रॉम। कैन यू सजेस्ट एनी बेस्ट जर्नल? बेस्ट जर्नल ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, आप कौन से फील्ड के हो, लाइक अभी स्कोपस है, साइंस की है, IEEE, ऑल आर बेस्ट. देखो इसमें क्या है, अगर आपका आइडिया अच्छा है, हमारी भी जर्नल है, we are having our own journal, international journal on police science. You can submit your paper here also. It is also the best tool. If your idea is good, you will get a good thesis published. You can get a research grant. Don't worry. Research grant. Grant means money for carrying out research. So you can get this grant from DST, from UGC, from SERB, from universities like us. We are having a specific budget. Every year we are announcing. So the idea should be good. From our mind, whatever is coming out should be good. आप उसको बड़े बड़े प्रोजेक्ट्स में कर सकते हो. देखो कोई भी फील्ड हो, कोई लिटरेचर का है तो आप रामायण पे वापस इंटरप्रिटेशन कर सकते हो, शकुंतला पे किताब लिख सकते हो. अभी आजकल के बच्चों ने रामायण नहीं पढ़ी, आप अपने में कॉमिक्स बना सकते हो. गोज ऑन. There are payable journals and not payable journal. Which is the most preferable one? I'm saying that it's not like this. Payable means they are taking publication charge, but you need to find in your field in which good articles are coming. Like for example, in computers, see, unethical means it is like torrent. Torrent में से movies download कर सकते हैं. It is unethical, but people are doing. Pirated CDs are we should not watch, but people are watching because we are getting in 10 rupees. But if some viruses come and if it harms our computer, it will be harming for 45,000, 50,000. So many things are there, है ना? In ethical, but we should not do. If your heart, your mind, soul is not allowing. Now, what is this heart, mind, and soul? ये अंदर से या भगवान ने नहीं बनाया है. ये we are learning from the environment where we are, what our parents are teaching. So my soul will say, नहीं, इसकी चाय पड़ी, I won't have her tea. I should have mine, for example. So if your fingers and if your hands are clicking on that unethical tools, and if you can do, but we should not do. What is the best to publish our article? Yeah, I'm saying now, many journals take nature. Have you heard about nature? Explore. 5 साल लगते हैं उसको आने में, पैसे भी लेते हैं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. Publication charge. So it is good, bad, nothing is like that. Our idea, our article should be good. Whatever the English you are writing, it should not be having plagiarism, original research, original language. Good paper क्या है? If I am able to understand what you have written, देखो good movie क्या है वैसा ही. If I am able to understand what you have written, if I am able to apply your knowledge, why citations of review articles are more? Because now, if I'm publishing in some journal which nobody is reading, it may be of high impact factor, UGC recognized, UGC care, then I won't get that citation. And if some social science, so many people are reading, या मैं अगर ऐसा लिखूं computer in India, so many people will read, everybody will cite. But if I write a very hardcore paper like machine learning algorithm enhancing by this methodology, then very few scientists are studying. So don't run after this game. But number one is your research work should be ethically done. It should be really written well. then मतलब अपना ऐसा हो कि जर्नल्स हमको बुलाए कि दो आपका पेपर, ये भी हो सकता है. आज के दिन हम ये भी सोच सकते हैं. Today we can think that also, that why we should submit to journal. Journal should ask, publisher should ask, like script writer, story writer. Once again, I will go to my slides. Then again, we'll take question. Till now, open access journals are good. Everything is good. See, nowadays UGC had made a list of journal which has to be UGC recognized. Like when you are applying for jobs and all those things, then at that time naturally they are asking for peer review journals in API. So you must be knowing all those things as a faculty. So I'm again going back to my slides. 18 principle says all research material should be preserved in a manner that respects the agreement. So here the best example will be chain of custody, where if on crime scene I am getting anything, I am preserving it very nicely from the point I captured that thing to the point I am releasing. Then the institutions must ensure that research that complies with the scholarly quality requirements are not suppressed. Sometimes it happens that I may need more chemical, sophisticated tool, or I'm having some specific requirement. But for one researcher, a college, an institute, or university, or we ourselves cannot comply it or cannot provide it. So we should try to help as much as. I also don't say that we can do everything, like some student is asking a crore rupee of supercomputer or a machine for doing research, and that research may be good, but see, research is research. We don't know exactly what the end result will happen. Like, identify personal data collected from one particular research can be automatically. So naturally, whatever, as madam was saying, that few teachers' data, it should not be commercially used for any administrative. Like when I was in the beginning, I joined my job. At that time, some person were asking to give me student data because they had opened a new network, some tuition classes, training center. And if I give them data, then they can do publicity. So nothing wrong was there. And they were giving me in that time 10 rupees per student data. So I told no. So that is ethics. Human samples, especially this will be true with or related to medical field, that human blood samples, tissues, especially in forensic science, it should be of ethical nature. Businesses, whatsoever information plan you are having, it should be again confidential and for some legal reason. Culture, just say environment is important, in the same way culture is important. Culture is important, so those should be protected. Now comes plagiarism. Plagiarism of others' text, material, idea, and research result is unexpected. This is something which is directly punishable. UGC is having its own set of punishment rules. If more than 80% is there, then this thing will be there. He cannot do PhD. So UGC say at any point of time, less than 10% plagiarism. That means less than 10% things we can copy from someone else. So if some definition is there, then double quote it. So it should not be plagiarized. Then whosoever are involved in that process, maybe supervisor or students, their interest should be saved. There should be some confidentiality type of thing should be there that I share. So if you can convince me I'm doing for some good research, I can share my things. जैसे मेरी कोई पुरानी किताबों से लेके मेरा कोई पुराना research I can do it. So for desirable result, we should not practice something, but we should be a responsible researchers. Then sometimes it happens that the data is not clean. That means you need to clean the data, but while cleaning this data, few important data are gone. So that thing also has to be, that should be also keep in mind. We should refrain from any violation, because today you may violate some practice, like drug case, but after 10 years it may come out in the picture. So ethics का भी ऐसा है. If it is not allowed, it means it is not allowed. चाहे वो torrent site हो या वो कोई illegal download करने की site हो, if you are mentioning that thing and if you are not having licensed version or that book coming to your library, you cannot. Right now. So, and the person who are involved with you, juniors, assistants, scientists, training, students, should all follow this ethical conduct. So your views should not be forced to someone. Anybody, if he wants to, if ये research projects के लिए, if you are doing some project, but in research activity, not in our country, but in foreign countries, there is always a team of students and teachers. So if say, for example, I don't want to now work more, I can withdraw on any issue. Raw data. Reporting is correlated with the transparency. So we, like they are saying that whatever your research you have done during a PhD work, 4 to 5 papers should be published. So this is something like that. Authorship credit, author 1, co-authors should be credited nicely, whether they are yourself or you are referring to someone else. Non-closure information, non-closure law of information. This is very simple. The which one we discussed. Consent, like participants' right to privacy, confidentiality, methodology which you are using, peer review process. Like say for example, if I'm a publisher, I'm saying, yeah, I'm doing peer review, but I'm not doing. So that is wrong on my part. That means your paper was not checked. Funders, sponsors. If there somebody is funding your research work or some research project you are having, then the researchers should report their work to the person, those who are giving money or helping. And this is not only for funding, but if you are doing research in some place also, like joint research work, then also it is responsibility. So these are the main basic principles. This is research writing. Why we are writing? To show to the world our research works result. But for showing to the world this result work in the form of thesis, blog, article, blah, blah, what are the principles? These are the principles. What will happen if we violate? These are the violations, plagiarism, punishments, right? Attendance link. Please fill the attendance link. And if you are present in the whole lecture, then only fill this is ethics. Right now. Review article contains research of so many scientists and only 5-10 years in one article. That's why having more citation. Okay, maybe. Index journal are the best option for publication. Okay, like UGC. Okay, now we can discuss if you are having some questions. Questions or suggestions? What is this? How many words for plagiarism kept in UGC? For 10%? No, we are having Urkund and those all run it in software, madam. We don't count words. Plagiarism, we don't count words or something like that. The thing is that, the simplest example, if you're writing an article or a paper on India, so India is my country. Who is saying India is my country? My birthplace is India, so I can say India is my country. Okay, no plagiarism, nothing copy. India population is this thing. So India's population is dash. That figure I am getting from some booklet or from some internet. So I need to refer that thing which site or which population booklet, government booklet. So I will write that thing there. Then I will say India is a beautiful country. So this beautiful comes from where? So this is my personal opinion. So nobody will say that this thing is copied. Then India is this thing. So whatever you are writing, even a one word, one sentence, everything should be. Now see, we cannot, some 10% somebody is writing here. For 10% will take 1 or 5 words in this sentence. So this please you both calculate how many words. But what we are doing, we are in an automatic process. We give our article or thesis to the software and it finds out based on the length of the words. But this may be the approximate. Nice information if this information is correct. And very nice. Any other question? So research ethics means our code of conduct should be very good. Whatever I am doing from the very beginning, whosoever are involved in my process, research process, everything should be smooth. Smooth means nobody should be hurt. My environment, my creativity goes on. So attendance you feel if you have attended, from where their ethics will come. Pillai madam is there?
Yes, madam.
Madam. Dr. Ramesh is writing something. No, madam, in Turnitin software, we have to give. Okay, the same thing I told that you may be correct. But what we do, we are having a practice to give our articles and all those things to our library. So So he do check and he give us report.
So you can ask your questions in the chat box, everyone. If you have
They asked me,
yes, yes,
and
yeah.
I'm taking one by one. And do we are doing now? I don't know. Computer people are there, madam, in this.
Yes, ma'am. During registration, people were there, even from computer.
Because now we are going to do a very good international workshop on data science and this thing.
Yes, sure, ma'am.
KC with KCG we are doing, madam.
Yes, okay, okay. In our university, we have a department. We will definitely let them
So
know.
I will just forward you this thing and then we'll do.
Sure, 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 madam. I will forward it.
Okay, okay. So it was really nice talking to you people, and come and visit our university. Madam was so kind to give me this opportunity, and these questions are never going to end. The research curiosity will never end because we are doing something for, see, these all people abhi jo hai na, we are very serious and sincere type of people. We want to do good something for the society. So we are in this research field. So if we want to do good something, then we have to be good. So while for this goodness thing, our conduct should be good, and we should do everything very nicely. Like for example, preserving our records, referring every small things in research, it should be in an ethical way. So with this, ma'am, I would like to wind up.
Okay, 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 madam. So
Okay.
thank you so much, madam. Thank you once
Thank you,
again.
madam.
Yeah, it was a very nice session, as I can see from the messages. All the participants, they have enjoyed a lot, and we have learned a lot about ethics today from you.
Now, sorry to interrupt you. One person is writing that research ethics is self-ethics. It should not be related to number game. So, see, number one, if we are all here on this platform, let us remove all the complaints and confusion from our mind as a researcher. There may be so many things. Some person is publishing 10 papers, my only one paper. You make your article in such a way that publisher comes to you and asks your things, right? So don't worry. Yes, madam. Sorry, I interrupted. But the thing was very good in number game, so I thought can we motivate them.
Yes, yes, yes. Yeah. So it was a nice session, madam. We have learned a lot about ethics today. And I
Thank
thank
you.
you once again for accepting our invitation and for having such a nice session with us. I hope all the participants have enjoyed it. And
Thank you.
yeah, with this, we are ending our session for today. And I request all the participants to do fill their attendance as it is. And while filling the attendance, please make sure that you mention exact spellings as you want in your certificate, as well as of
Right.
your institution. Yes. Yeah. So,
Okay. Goodbye, everyone. Thank you, ma'am.
yeah.
Okay.
Thank you, madam. Thank you, ma'am. So please do fill the details in the form, attendance form properly. Thank you.